This might look like an ordinary flash drive, but trust us when we tell you that the SanDisk Connect wireless stick is anything but ordinary. Let's put things into perspective, shall we? For a mere 5,885 rupees, you can add 128 GB of storage to your iPhone wirelessly. Do we have your attention now? Of course we do. So the basic premise is rather straightforward. With this little stick, you can wirelessly connect up to 5 devices to access shared content. It works very well with the excellent SanDisk Connect app, which lets you manage data between your mobile device and the wireless stick. The smooth interface enables easy consumption of media between multiple devices.
So this is the latest in our mobile memory solutions. This product is a wireless product. Essentially a wireless storage device. A user can use this to wirelessly transfer or save content in this. So it doesn't really need a wired connection or internet to save or transfer data between different devices. So while the host devices are coming with more and more memory, you would realize that people are taking more and more videos and pictures using their handheld device. So one of the feedback that we get is the challenge of out of memory on their device. So essentially the consumer research has indicated to us that consumers need a device with an ease of transfer, ease of use, wherein they can easily transfer data, movies, pictures from one device to another device. So with the amount of data that is videos and pictures that are being generated, we believe that this is a product which will take care of the challenges like out of memory and seamless transfer. Today people have different devices. Imagine a situation wherein there are 3 or 4 people, one having an iOS platform, one having an Android platform, and somebody having a Windows-based laptop. If you have to transfer data between these devices, you need a very seamless connection. And suppose you don't have an internet connection in that environment. That is where a product like this, which is wireless, comes into a good use. Also, there are opportunities, there are situations where you need multiple people sharing the data from the same device. So this device can be used to stream up to 3 video streams simultaneously. So in the best case scenario where 3 parallel video streams are being used, it can last up to 4.5 hours. Otherwise, it depends on individual usage model. You can create a Wi-Fi hotspot with this product. So the information, pictures, videos can be transferred using a Wi-Fi hotspot among the devices. So you don't really need to insert this into any host device. This is based on the Wi-Fi technology, and it supports 802.11 BG as well as N standards. Security is an important issue when you have to share information and data. So this product allows security using WPA2 standard. And since it generates a Wi-Fi hotspot, you can set up a password so that you can restrict the access to users who have that password. So we have announced 200 GB SanDisk Wireless Connect at Mobile World Congress, and it will be available in India in a few weeks from now.
So what's our verdict on the SanDisk Connect wireless stick? Well, if you have sensitive files and don't trust cloud storage systems, then this dual-purpose USB flash drive serves to accommodate users of both PC and post-PC generation. As a USB drive, it delivers excellent storage capacities, while as a wireless drive, it allows users to back up contents from their phones and tablets to free up valuable storage space on their mobile devices. The Connect wireless stick is a future-proof device as it works with traditional PCs and Macs. At under 6,000 rupees, it's an extremely affordable way to save, store and share files wirelessly between a range of devices.